Hello guys, welcome to the colony test for today. Make sure your name is put up here, full first and last name, and then we will begin. Question 1. What country did not set up colonies in North America? A. Spain, B. Germany, C. France, D. England. 2. All pacifists are Quakers. What is a pacifist? Is it A, an Englishman who came to America looking for gold? B, someone who opposes war at all costs? C, someone who only believes in going to church on Saturdays? Or is it D, a colonist who would rather have stayed in England? 3, 4, and 5, you're going to have symbols on this map over here. 3, which country colonized the area with the circle? So right here, which country was this? Was it A, Spain, B, England, C, France, or D, the Netherlands? 4 asks you about the square, and 5 asks you about the circle with the line through it. Question 6. Jamestown was the first blank colony by the blank. Was it A, the first successful colony by the Spanish, B, the first human colony by the aliens, C, the first diseased colony by the French, or D, the first successful colony by the English? Question 7. Georgia was founded as A, colony where Catholics could worship freely, B, colony where debtors could go and work to repay their debts, C, a colony where Quakers could worship freely, or D, a colony where people could specialize in fishing? Eight, Pennsylvania was founded as A, colony where Quakers could worship freely, B, colony where debtors could go and work to repay their debts, C, colony where Quakers could worship freely, or D, a colony where people could specialize in fishing? Question 9. A joint stock company is A, a group of investors who hope to make money in the New World, B, a group of investors who bought and sold other companies, C, a group of friends, a group of the king's friends who helped him colonize new land, or D, a company in charge of buying stock? Question 10, right here. The difference between a separatist and a Puritan is A, separatist wanted to separate and create new colonies while the Puritans were fine with staying. B, a Puritan wanted to find the purest way to pray while separatists refused to pray. C, a separatist wanted to worship freely while Puritans wanted to speak freely. Or D, a separatist wanted to leave the church while Puritans just wanted to purify its practices. 11. Rhode Island was founded by Roger Williams, A, Thomas Hooker, B, Lord Baltimore, C, William Brewster, D. 12. Before coming to the Americas, the Pilgrims relocated to what colony? A, France, B, Holland, C, Spain, D, England. 13. The Pilgrims originally planned on landing where? A. Jamestown, B. Massachusetts, C. Florida, D. St. Augustine, Florida. 14. What was the purpose of the Mayflower Compact? Was it A, to create a government that could make laws and rules for the colony? B, to plan a return trip to England before the colonists got too comfortable? C, to create a compact that forced everyone to cooperate and work together? Or D, to create an agreement that only applied to the men of the colony? 15. The first attempt by the English to set up a colony was at A. Roanoke Island, B. Jamestown, C. Plymouth, D. St. Augustine. Be careful, that says the first attempt by the English. 16 through 20, we have a map where we have to label what colony it points to. So for 16, it's pointing right here. Is that Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Connecticut, Massachusetts, or Maryland? The same goes for 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21. What was the House of Burgesses? Was it A, the first lawmaking assembly in the New World? B, the group of investors who settled Jamestown? C, the name of the group who founded Plymouth? Or D, the group who wrote the Mayflower Compact? 22. Head rights are commonly used to: is it A, to attract people to Jamestown since people came for free land? B, attract people to Plymouth since people wanted to be given a free Bible? C, attract people to stay in England since a head right involved taking on debt? Or is it D, none of the above? 23. The economic policy that European empires grew strong through producing many goods is known as A, head rights, B, pilgrim, C, mercantilism, D, communism. 24. King Philip's War wiped out blank percent of the New England population. Was it 50%, 15%, 25%, or 5%? 25. Who was King Philip? Was it A, the English king? Was it B, the leader of the House of Burgesses? C, a military captain? D, a native chief? 26. Which region of colonies had the highest life expectancy? A, New England, B, Middle, C, Southern, D, Chesapeake. And 27. The leader of the Pilgrims to America was A, John White, B, Sir Walter Raleigh, C, William Bradford, or D, John Smith. The multiple choice section is over, and on the back side we have 3 short answer questions. Question 1, or number 28. What are at least 2 differences between the settlers at Jamestown and those at Plymouth? I'll give you a hint. Think about the reason they are coming for settlement, and think about the passenger list assignment that we did in class. 29. What 2 significant things happened in American history in 1619? I'll give you a hint. They both took place at Jamestown. Number 30. Roger Williams created Rhode Island, which gave the colony a separation of church and state. What does it mean to have a separation of church and state, and which colony was created this way?